Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add photos to frames in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to either create a new design or open an existing one that you're already working on. Once you have your design open and ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you'll see several options for customizing your design, and you need to click on the one labeled Elements. This section gives you access to thousands of design elements, including the frames we'll be working with today. After clicking Elements, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the panel. Go ahead and type Frames into this search bar. Alternatively, if you prefer browsing, you can scroll down slightly and select Frames under the Browse Categories section. Both methods will take you to the same collection of frame shapes, so choose whichever feels more convenient for you. Now you'll see a variety of frame shapes displayed on your screen, including circles, squares, hearts, and more creative designs. Take a moment to browse through these options and find one that fits your design vision. Once you've decided on a frame, simply click on it and it will be added directly to your canvas. You can always adjust its size and position later, so don't worry about getting it perfect right away. Next, it's time to add your photo. You have two options here. You can either open the Upload section from the left sidebar if you want to use your own image, or you can browse through Canva's extensive library of stock photos. Once you've located the photo you want to use, click and hold on it, then drag it over to the frame you just added to your design. As you drag the photo closer to the frame, you'll notice it automatically snaps into place. This happens when the photo is positioned correctly over the frame, and it's a helpful visual cue that tells you the image is about to fill the frame. Release your mouse or trackpad, and the photo will now appear inside the frame with the frame's shape applied to it. If the photo doesn't look quite right or isn't positioned the way you want, don't worry, simply double-click on the photo inside the frame. This action allows you to reposition or resize the image within the frame boundaries. You can drag it around to focus on a different part of the photo, or you can zoom in and out to adjust how much of the image is visible. This gives you complete control over how your photo appears within the frame. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, just click outside the frame to finish. Your photo is now perfectly framed and ready to be part of your design. And that's it! You've successfully added a photo to a frame in Canva, giving your design a polished and professional look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.